Every morning, Eddie and I wake up preparing for what the world has in store. For me, protection begins with how we prepare for the day before anyone else is up in the morning. Staying fit and keeping our minds right. Every officer and agent, every canine. Eddie and I are always ready to respond. We never know what events may happen, but that's okay. Because it's not about knowing in advance what the day is going to bring. It's about being prepared every morning for whatever may come and having the heart to keep moving forward. That's how the day is won.